What's up, guys? Welcome to Revline 89. So what's it like driving in a Mustang? So this is a 2008 Ford Mustang 4.0 V6. Exhaust is redone. Check out the videos if you want to see more, but this is kind of getting an idea how it looks like just riding in a Mustang. So we got my gauges up here. I need to reset everything, but so it's got a little pep to it. I still won't burn out with this thing because I put new tires on it. Yeah, I just won't do it. So yeah, I'm very happy. I love this Mustang. I love 2008 Mustang. So if you want a Mustang, I recommend it. They're a lot of fun to drive. It's not really any roads that I can really get on it. It's all kind of back roads through here. So if we find an open road where it's safe to drive, then we will get on it just a little bit. If I can manage to miss these potholes, man, someone better fire the driver. So my gauge says my speedometer as well, and you can set a whole bunch of stuff for this thing, which is really cool. But this is my look. This is what I see. I need to get my cigarette lighter in there. It looks so ugly without it in there. I've just been working on carbon fibering it, so yeah, we're all downhill here. So yeah, I give the Ford Mustang a 10 out of 10. I love it. I love just everything about it. I love the fact that I can adjust the seat, the height of it, so I can sit up higher if I want to, or low, whatever I really feel like it. I love the performance of it. You know, overall, I just really love it. She's quiet if I want it to be quiet. She's loud if I want her to be loud. You guys will be seeing a lot more videos of her, so you're gonna have to subscribe. I mean, come on, guys. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. All this dirt. No. Oh my word. Unbelievable. This is why I don't like driving on back roads. Just a little 80 run. So I might take another way back home so I can bypass that dirt. So I love this Mustang. I'm actually right now on the way to take it to the dealership that I bought it from. I'm told them when I do some modifications I will bring it and show them it, so hopefully they're in. We'll see. So alright, guys, thanks for watching this video. There probably will be more clips after this video, or maybe this video is after clips already. Take care, everyone. So guys, while I was doing a test run, I had a 4K Ultra HD camera on the back of the car, which it came off. Not sure why it came off. It wasn't supposed to. It was double suction, so should have not had any issue. But apparently it is gone with the wind. So I'm gonna look, you know, going back tracking where it came from, but I'm not seeing anything so far. So that is a bummer. Luckily it wasn't an expensive GoPro, and this is a good reason why not to put GoPros on your vehicles, because if you lose them, they're gone. Yeah, I don't know why it came off. It was on there really strong. So if it came off, it would have bounced. I'm hoping it bounced somewhere that I can see it, so I'm gonna stop recording so I can focus on looking on the road. So maybe I'll find it, maybe not. What's it like being behind the wheel of a Mustang? Well, you're about to find out. So a cop normally sits up here, so we're not gonna go anywhere.